Have you guys seen what's in one of these bad boys? Are they delicious? Are they great? Because they're supreme. You know what? Let's open these bad boys up right now. See what all the hype is about. Boom! Supreme Oreo cookies. I don't know if y'all seen these before, but anyways, nothing special. Okay. Anyways, let's get to my video. So much for the intro. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Orlando with Shooegle. Sorry about that little quick little Supreme thing. They got enough clout for me. So if y'all new to this channel, what we do on this channel is sneaker reviews. But anyways, today I got a little something different for y'all. I got hit up by one of my fans on Instagram, and they were like, why don't you, they gave me an idea. They're like, why don't you do mystery boxes? And I was like, damn, you know what, mystery boxes sound pretty cool. Did a little little searching on the internet. I was able to find one on eBay for about $400, because I'm not trying to spend like $1,000, $2,000-$3,000 on a mystery box. I'm just not ready to blow that type of money on a mystery box. So I spent about $400, and we're gonna unbox it together today. I know it's a little different. It's not like a sneaker review. Unfortunately, I don't got sneakers to review yet, but I got sneakers coming. So today we're gonna unbox this box and see if I got my $400 worth. All right, you guys, yo, it's the moment of truth. This is the box. It's not that big. It's funny they threw a Supreme sticker on it, but anyways, $400. This box is not that big. I hope I get my money's worth. Okay, I see some Supreme stuff. Oh man, let's open this bad boy up. Well, this is brand new, so that's a good sign. Still got all the paper inside. It looks like Supreme Motocross shirt from last season. It came out. It's pretty dope. I don't really know if it's my style, but I don't know. We might have to give this bad boy away. It's not really my thing. We'll figure something out. Let's see what else we got up in here. Some Supreme stickers. Okay, looking like Mary J. Blige up in this piece. Okay, there's two more things in here. Oh, man, this one looks like a hoodie, and it's black. I might have to keep this bad boy. Oh snap! Okay. Oh, it smells new. I don't see no tags, but this looks tight. This also looks like a from Supreme last season. Looks just like that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it is from that motocross 7 Fox or whatever Fox type of company. But this bad boy is pretty dope. I like this. Might have to keep this bad boy. Yeah, I could mess with that. We got one more thing in here, it looks like, and it's let me not tell you guys. Let's pull it out. Y'all can see it's a 350. Okay, size 10. Got these frozen yellows. They look DS. There's no tags on them, but I like these. Not too bad, not too shabby. What do you guys think about this unboxing mystery box? Would you guys do it? Me, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it again. Only because I like picking out my own clothes and stuff like that. But it's cool. I'm gonna have to try to tally everything up and maybe put it up in this video. One thing that I am gonna do is, I can tell you guys right now, right off the bat, not really feeling this. This isn't my style. You know, I know it's not a sneaker, but I know there's some of you hypebeasts out there that love Supreme. I mean, I love Supreme too, but I don't like everything Supreme. Come on now. But yeah, if you want this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment done in the comment section, and it could be yours.